Hello students. In previous video we have completed the sixth lesson of science, that is the feeding habits of animals. And before starting the exercise, I want to revise this chapter in short so that it will become easy for you to solve the exercise. So feeding habits of animals, and based on the feeding habits, we have divided the animals into three groups, that is herbivorous animals that eat only grass, carnivorous animals that eat only flesh or other animals, then carnivorous animals, animals that eat both plants as well as other animals. Then feeding habits of different animals. Some animals swallow their food डायरेक्टली वो घोट लेते हैं विदाउट च्यूइंग, without the use of their teeth to bite, and then the animals that chew the cud, that means first of all they nibble their food and put it inside their bodies, and when they relax they bring back part of the food from inside and chew it properly, that is chewing the cud. And the animals that chew the cud are cow, buffaloes and camel. Then the animals that tear their food, so the animals that eat flesh tear their food, they have a pointed end, sharp front teeth, and then they chew by their grinding teeth. Then the animals that gnaw their food, that means ऐसे animals जो अपने कुतरते हैं चीज़ों को, फ्रंट दे हैव फ्रंट शार्प फ्रंट चिजल लाइक टीथ, उनके फ्रंट के छेनी के जैसे टीथ होते हैं. छेनी इज अ टूल विच हेल्प टू छीलने के काम आता है टूल, so chisel like teeth. Then some animals suck their food with the help of long hollow tube like structure like mosquito, butterfly and leeches. And then we have also learned how to take care of the animals, that is we have to feed them with water and proper food, and their shelter should be clean, dry and airy, and we have to protect them from hot and cold weather, and the sick animal should be taken to the veterinary doctor immediately. So that is what we have learned in the chapter. Now today we will start with the exercise. First of all, fill in the blanks. Snakes dash their prey. So just now we have revised. Snakes अपने prey को, शिकार को क्या करता है? Swallow. वो डायरेक्ट swallow कर लेता है without chewing or biting it. So snakes swallow their prey. Now giraffe feeds on dash only. Giraffe क्या खाता है? ग्रास, प्लांट्स खाता है, फ्लैश खाता है, या दोनों चीजें खाता है, फ्लैश और प्लांट्स. So you all know giraffe is a herbivorous animal. It eats only plants. So giraffe feeds on plants only. Next, frog has a dash tongue. Frog की कैसी टंग होती है? इंसेक्ट्स को कैच करने के लिए लॉन्ग एंड स्टिकी टंग. सो दे हैव स्टिकी टंग, जिसमें कि उसका जो इंसेक्ट है वो स्टिक हो जाता है और वो इजीली उसको कैच कर पाता है. नाउ बफलोज डैश दियर फूड फर्स्ट एंड देन च्यू इट. तो बफलोज क्या करते हैं अपने फूड को पहले? सो बफलोज nibble their food first. Buffaloes nibble their food first and then chew it. Butterfly dash its food. So you all know that butterfly अपने food को कैसे खाती है? So butterfly, mosquitoes, they suck their food. So the butterflies suck its food. Squirrel. Squirrel has sharp front dash like teeth. तो स्क्विरल के कैसे टीथ होते थे फ्रंट के? शार्प फ्रंट, किसके जैसे? लाइक अ चिजल like teeth. So you can see here they have sharp front chisel like teeth. Now match the following. Now here the name of the animals are given and on the other side food items are given. So you have to tell कि ये जो animals हैं क्या खाएंगे इनमें से. Snake, monkey, lion, elephant. On other side sugarcane, frog, banana, deer. Very easy. Out of these 4 food items, what the snake will eat? Snake क्या खाता है? Sugarcane? No. Frog, banana and deer. इनमें से snake क्या खा सकता है? So frog. Snake generally eat frog. Then monkey. What is left? Sugarcane, banana and deer. So monkey love banana. Lion, obviously lion is a carnivorous animal, तो sugarcane तो खा नहीं सकता. So lion eat deer. And the last one is elephant. So you all know elephant love to eat sugarcane. Elephant banana भी खाता है, but sugar monkey ने banana खा लिया तो elephant के लिए क्या है? Sugarcane. Monkeys generally sugarcane नहीं खाते, उन banana ज़्यादा खाते हैं. So elephant eat sugarcane. Now the multiple choice question. The animal that eat both plants and animals. So first of all, tell me, revise just what are the animal, what we call the animal that eats both plants and animals? That are omnivorous animals that eat both plants and animals. Now here are the 4 animals given, so you have to find out which animal eats both plant and animals. That is, which one is omnivorous? Tiger, cow, rat, horse. So we know tiger eat only flesh. कभी grass नहीं खाता tiger. Cow only eat grass. कभी meat नहीं खाती है. Rat eat grains as well as the small insects also. So rat eat both the things, plants as well as animals, and horse eat only grass. So rat is the right answer. Dog tear the flesh with. So dog अपने फ्लैश को किस तरह से टीयर करता है, चीरता है? कौन से टाइप के टीथ से उस टीयर करता है? चिजलिंग टीथ. चिजल लाइक टीथ छीलने के काम आता है. ग्राइंडिंग टीथ? नो. पॉइंटेड टीथ? पॉइंटेड नुकीले टीथ. और ट्यूब. You all know tube is used to suck the food. So here dog tear the flesh with the help of pointed teeth, और वो chew करता है grinding teeth से. So flesh को tear करने के लिए dog use pointed teeth. Now poultry birds. What are poultry birds? Like hen, duck. These are poultry birds. Should be fed with. वो क्या खाते हैं? उनको क्या खाने को हमें देना चाहिए? Green grass. Hen, duck green grass खाते हैं? No. Fresh fruits? No. Milk पीते हैं? No. Grains? Yes. So they eat grains, so we have to feed them grains. It is a herbivorous animal. Now what is herbivorous animal? Herbivorous, herb means जो plants और grass खाते हैं, such type of animals are called herbivorous animals. So you have to find out which animal out of these eat only grass or plants. Fox? No. Cow? Yes, cow eats only grass. Rat? ऊपर हमने अभी किया था. Rat eats both plant and animals, so it is a omnivorous animal. Snake? Snake rat को भी खाता है, so snake is not a herbivorous, so cow is the right answer. So cow is a herbivorous animal. So in the next video we will discuss the question answers of this lesson. Thank you.